Flexi Non-Electric Bidet Toilet. Designed for standard rough-in installations. Elongated seat and ADA-compliant height for ultimate comfort. Turn the function knob to start the bidet. The nozzle self-cleans after every use. A single button control makes it easy to use. Enjoy a steady and comfortable water flow. The retractable nozzles can be removed for deep cleaning. One button activates a full flush. Powerful rinse, nothing left behind. Hidden water tank delivers excellent performance. The pressure-assisted system clears the bowl every single time. Quick and straightforward installation from the start, built for faster assembly than a traditional toilet. Fewer parts mean faster assembly than a traditional toilet. Ready to use in just a few simple steps. Upgrade your bathroom comfort. That is Flexi.